Now, these are cautions, or stuff not to do when using the Raider CS35. Let's say it over here. Yes. It's a really good gun. But here's stuff you probably shouldn't do. Like this. Caution. Do not hold backwards when in Nerf battle. Because you may think your friends are demolishing you. Here. Okay, guys. I get first move. Ow, 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 ow. Guys, stop shooting. You guys said I could get first move, idiots. What do you mean you're not shooting at me? What? You idiots. You said I get first move, but you idiots just keep shooting me. Thanks a lot. Caution, do not try to eat Nerf gun, or this will happen. I think I left my keys. I hate the Nerf company. They're evil. I'm gonna kill them. Kill them. Kill them. Kill them. Caution, do not release 35 dart drum while laying down, or this will happen. Okay, I'm all. Oh! My crotch! Ooh! Oh! Caution, do not extend the stock into crotch. Like so, or this will happen. Oh! My crotch! It hurts. Caution,